Hello friends. Welcome to your YouTube channel, that is APICS Edu Club. So finally the wait is over and we came up with our new certificate program in International Logistics, which is scheduled on the 6th of May. So in this video we are going to discuss about what will be all inside this program and how to join and get certified. So let us start. So let me tell me basic course structure. What all we are going to learn in this program. So as you can see on the screen, we are going to learn about international logistics management, transportation management, Incoterms, customs clearance, and global challenges of the logistics management. So all those who are interested to learn about logistics, this certification is going to be good start and will create your base in logistics management. This program is going to be a live program for 2 hours or more. I know it will cross more than 2 hours, where we will talk about all the basics of international logistics. And you all know I am APICS CLTD certified. If you want to know more about CLTD certification, you can check the I button. Let us be back on this certification. So as program will complete, after that there will be half an hour for your questions, and once we will end up you will receive in question paper. And all students who will pass the exam will be awarded with certificate of completion. I hope now you are interested to join the certificate program, so link to join the program is in description. You just need to follow the link and make the payment, and you will receive your invite link on the 4th of May. You can join us this program by your smartphone and laptop with good internet connection. For fees you can check the program link in description box. It is very minimal price. And if you paid the fee and not joined the program on the 6th of May, your fee will be refunded in 15 days by deducting taxes only. So I hope I have described maximum things here. Still you can ask any query regarding this certification in comment section. You know I always keep posting many free content on supply chain in this channel, so if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell notification to get all updates. You can follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram and Facebook. All links are in description.